So you want to start your own e-commerce business, selling fashion, selling clothes online on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Depop, Vinted, and all those e-commerce apps? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the best places to source your inventory, where to pick up your inventory for the best prices, what apps to use for selling your items, how to market your items, how to stay professional, and how to keep it going. Then this video is for you. Thank you for tuning in to DJ TV.
Thanks for watching DJ TV.
Should. So the best places to source items to resell for Poshmark and eBay. Yard sales, number one. Next is thrift stores, mom and pop's thrift stores, and the Goodwill. Salvation Army is decent too. I like Salvation Army too, but there's not too many of them here in the valley. The only Salvation Armies I've seen here in the valley are like in the ghetto areas, like Canoga Park, Pacoima. Rich people donate to Goodwill, you know what I'm saying? You could check out the Salvation Army. If you live near a Salvation Army, go check it out. You know, it won't hurt to check it out. I'm just saying, like here where I live, it's more Goodwills than Salvation Armies. That Dollar Thursdays, you know, that's a steal for me. I love the Dollar Thursdays. That's the main reason why I go to the Goodwill, for the Dollar Thursdays. So yard sales, thrift stores, Goodwill, Salvation Army, and last but not least, retail arbitrage, like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Nordstrom Rack. But the thing with retail arbitrage is they're brand new. So you know how on Poshmark, when you select the condition of your clothing, like new, used, great condition, there's the NWT, which is new with tags. You could buy brand new clothes from Ross, TJ Maxx. You could keep the tag with the retail price on it, the Ross price tag, whatever, then you could remove that. As long as the retail tag is still there, you could list it at that retail price. So let's say like you have a pair of jeans, right? It's retailed at like 160 bucks, but at Ross it was selling for like 25 bucks, which is usually how it is, right? You buy it for 25 bucks, then when you list it on Poshmark, retailed at $159.99. Take good pictures of it. You leave the tags on, of course, obviously. List it as new with tags. People like to buy the new with tags one. That's a pretty big profit margin, right? It's retailed at 160, but you spend 25 bucks on it, right? So you could list it at the retail 160, and then you know how you can make offers. Someone will offer you, I'll give you 100 bucks for it. And it's up to you. That's a $75 profit. You spent 25 bucks on it. It's retailed at 160. Someone offered you 100 bucks. But all right, sure. Boom. You just made $75 profit right there. Well, of course, Poshmark takes their 20%, so 20 bucks. You get 80 bucks back. That's still a decent profit. You spent 25 bucks on it, you grossed $80 off of it. Your net profit would be 75. But yeah, $75 profit, but you have to pay Poshmark their 20%. So you're really netting 80 and you spent 25 on it. 80 minus 25. 55 bucks. That's not bad. A $25 investment just netted you a $55 profit. Would you spend 25 bucks to make $55? Sure, $55 profit. You'll find some stuff at Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all the retail arbitrages and stuff. The reason why they have it in Ross, Marshalls, because it's out of season, or maybe there's missing buttons, or sometimes there's something wrong with it and you get what you pay for. Otherwise, they would just be selling it like in Macy's or like Nordstrom at a regular retail store. But the reason why they bring it to Ross and Marshalls and stuff, because the clothes that the retail people can't sell, they just ship it out like a factory defect or whatever. And that's the reason why, you know. That's like my last option. You know, if I'm bored one day and I just feel like going to Ross just to go shopping, I'll go check it out. When I'm buying clothes for myself, like just to go shopping, if I see something cool and then the price is right, I'll just get it. I can flip this on Poshmark or whatever.
That's why I paid them, bitch. Why would I do that? Bitch.
You know, but for the most part, that's not really my go-to spot. You know, my go-to is literally Goodwill. Every weekend, I like to go for the yard sales. That's the best. Thursday is always Goodwill. I literally spend a whole day at the Goodwill. Goodwill opens up at 9 a.m. Different locations, they close at either 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. I'll go to the Sherman Oaks right when they open, 9 a.m. Spend a couple hours there. Then I'll go to the one in Northridge, spend a couple hours there. At least 3 or 4 different Goodwills. I'll spend a whole day just sourcing at Goodwill. So every Thursday, that's what I do. I'll go to Goodwill. Weekends is yard sales. So those are the best places to find inventory for your Poshmark store, eBay store, flipping items online. That's what you do.
That's crazy, bitch.
I prefer selling clothes because I'm into fashion, I'm into clothes. I know what's cool, I know what's trendy, you know? So why not flip clothes, right? I also do sell video games, board games. Like I found this at the Goodwill. Trivia Pursuit DVD. What I usually do, I'll scan the barcode on the eBay app or Amazon, and then I'll look, how much is it selling for? Oh, 20 bucks, okay. I got this for $1 at the Goodwill. If people online are selling this for 20 bucks and I bought it for $1, then it's worth the investment, you know? If it's something that looks cool, I scan the barcode, I look on eBay and Amazon. Has it been selling? What is it being sold for? How many listings are there of the item? If it seems like it's sellable, boom, I'll get it for $1. F it. I still have to list it, but it's still sealed, so I could sell it as brand new.
No shit.
But yeah, if I find stuff like that, like board game, books, sometimes DVDs and CDs, electronics too. Polaroid cameras, it's coming back in. That was like back in the 80s, right? Polaroids are becoming trendy. All the hipsters and like the artsy people, they're getting back into Polaroid. If I happen to be at a thrift store and I see a cool Polaroid camera, if the price is right, I'll pick it up. My main focus is clothes. I like to sell clothes, fashion. Jeans preferably, because jeans are the most durable. Like jeans can last for years, so I like getting jeans. So all these bins here are mostly jeans and blazer jackets. Businessmen, professionals, they like having like a different blazer jacket, blazer suit. I found blazer jackets and like suits, literally $1. I found a full-on suit, pants, a 3-piece suit for $1. Dollar Thursdays, I'm telling you, you can find some gems for $1. I think I'm gonna end it right here, but I'm gonna have more business tips coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, turn the post notifications on. If you like what you see, share this video to all your friends. Help out that YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the support. I'll be coming soon with another vid. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.
Can we